Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go. Keep breathing deeply, and on each exhale, just let go and surrender. Surrender any stresses. Surrender any worries. Big, deep breaths, letting go. And when you're ready, start to bring your focus and attention into your body. Scan your body for a moment. Notice any points of discomfort, tension, stuckness. And breathe deeply into those points, and as you exhale, let them fully relax. Ease your breath now, coming back into your normal rhythm of breathing. And just for a moment, call upon and tune into the higher powers supporting you. Source, God, the energy of creation, the universe, all beings of love and light, and past loved ones that are here supporting you. Imagine all this energy is forming a big circle around you, supporting you. If you start to stumble one way or another, you're fully supported by these higher powers that want what's best for you. Let yourself feel their love. Feel their positive intentions. Feel their supportive energy. Relax even more deeply now. We're just going to do some gentle Yoni breathing. Just breathing in and contracting, and exhaling and releasing fully. Just gently contracting the muscles, and exhale, release. So begin now, breathing in and out. Inhaling, contracting, exhale, releasing. Keep going. Allow this energy of creation to stir within you with each inhale and exhale, allowing your essence to flame like the birth of a star. And on the next exhale, just relax fully, come into stillness. And this time, when you inhale, I'm going to invite you just to hold the breath for a couple of seconds at the top and squeeze the muscles in your yoni, and then fully relax again as you exhale. So let's begin. Breathing in, holding the breath, squeeze and relax. Breathing in, holding, squeezing, relaxing. In your own time, make this a fluid, rhythmic breath. Allow this energy to nourish you as you breathe. And on the next exhalation, relax fully. Come into stillness again, allowing all that breathing to blossom within you and healing to happen in all the ways that it needs to. And just notice that support around you again. Notice your body. Scan your body. And start to close this connection with the higher powers. And just feel into your connection with Mother Earth for a moment. Grounding in, integrating this experience, embodying the shifts. And when you're ready, take one more deep breath in, no yoni breathing this time. And as you exhale, you can open your eyes, come back into the room. Have an amazing day, and remember to keep it juicy.